thank you. I know Raghu and Somnath ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೂರ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕೊಂಡು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Anyway, I'm just going to introduce the group who are going to be here. PJ, anything up? PJ, wave your hands. PJ, wave your hands. Nice, lovely. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ. Okay, yeah. Track. Okay, all right, check. Next, Amrit Kumar, wave your hands. I said, wait. Did you, what's his name? Just, did you see Amrit uncle wave his hands? What did I ask? Wave your hands, right? How many hands do you have? Thank you. Your sister knows how many hands you have. No, I asked you to wave your hands. Thank you. All right. Track, please. Are you on the track? Just keep going. Slow down. Raghu, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಊರು? ಮೈಸೂರು ಅಂತ. ಈ ಊರು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಊರು? Manchester. Raghu, man from Manchester. Awesome DJ. He's a breakout DJ. Give him a big hand. Awesome. How about Somnath? Somnath ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Somnath and Anju. They did an awesome MC job. Give them a big hand, guys. How about all the kids? They did a great job too, isn't it? Yeah, there you go. Fantastic. Alright, Vinny, are you good? Amrit, are you good? Alright, now let's go to the lovely ladies. Here is lovely Lata. Come on, the snake ladies. There you go. Pakkad mane Padma Chanashri. And one and only Rupa Kumar. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಯಾರು ಅಮೃತ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Amrit? Here is the song, guys. Come follow me, okay? Amrit jaise chashma laga ke, Rupa jaise saadi pehna ke, all the Kumar's fan. Don't you miss the chance? Lungi dance. Come on! Yeah! Alright, there you go. Alright, are you ready? Keep the music going, please. Raghu, you're doing an awesome job. Man from Manchester. Come on, let's go. Alright, keep going. Are we ready? Alright, you want to show us snake moves? Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Give your snake moves. 1, 2, 3. Give your snake moves. Let's see. Alright, okay people, I don't want to take more of your time. Let's get going on this song, okay? ಕೆಲವು ಜನದ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ, ಬೇಜಾರಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Good. Ready? Alright, 1, 2, 1.